What's the meaning of been? Been. Been.
Been. Been. The word been is the past participle of the verb be, which means to exist or to live. It is used to form various verb tenses, including the present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. In the present perfect tense, been is used with the auxiliary verb have to show that an action or event happened in the past and has continued up to the present. In the past perfect tense, been is used with the auxiliary verb had to show that an action or event was completed before another past action. Been is an essential verb in English grammar and is commonly used in both spoken and written communication.